Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you that how you can create the wave warp effect in Premiere Pro. So first of all, you need to import actually two clips here onto the timeline, and then you will create the new adjustment layer. Okay, so you will right click into the project and the new item and go to the adjustment layer here, then click OK and drag this adjustment layer up like here, like this one, where these two clips meet, and then select your layer and right click, go to the speed and duration and change it to 4 frames. Okay, click on OK and then move it again right here, and then what you have to do, actually you have to like put two different effects on it. So the first one is echo effect. You will search echo here and you will see the echo effect under this time here. So we will drag this effect and drop this effect here. So let me just here right now we will drag and drop this effect onto the adjustment layer, and then we will search for this effect, which is wave wrap here, this one. So we drag drop this one here. So in the echo here you will actually echo, set the echo to like 0.2 or something. So you will set the number of echoes to 2 and the starting intensity to like 0.5 here, and in the wave wrap effect you will change the wave type from sine to noise and set the wave height to 200 and also set the wave width to 200. Okay, and now when you will play this video here you will see this effect. Okay, here you can see this effect. So that's how you can actually make the wave warp effect on in Premiere Pro. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.